Today I'm going to tell you guys how you can add Razorpay into your Odoo website. The process is a bit complicated, so stay tuned. First, you want to head over to the Razorpay dashboard, go to settings, go to API keys and generate new keys. You want to copy the key ID and secret ID and save them. Once you've done that, go to webhooks of settings and then webhooks inside your Razorpay and then click on create new webhook. And there you want to enter your Odoo database URL, which would look something like this. And you want to fill the secret field with a password. Then what you want to do is make sure the payment authorized, payment captured, payment failed, and refund processed. These events are ticked. And then you want to finally create the webhook to complete the configuration. Once it's done, you want to head over to Odoo and then go to the payment provider Razorpay and change its state to enabled. You want to fill up all of the ID like the key ID, key secret, webhook secret with the values you saved during the Razorpay dashboard and just finally save it. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.